Hello everybody, my name is Johns. I'm from Malaysia. I'll show you a trick from my good friend. He's Diego from Argentina. Okay, and now I have a deck here. I open it up and you will see the whole deck have a hole. I'll show you. Have a cable tie here, can go through the whole deck. Okay, and now my friend, please choose a card, any card, but don't show me. Okay, choose the card. And now I have a marker here. Please tie it on your limb. Good, perfect. And now show to the camera the card. Okay, good. And now please put it back in the deck. Okay, and this is your card, right? Okay, and now I mix it up and do a simple cut. Okay, good. And now the whole deck, I pull it back into the box. Okay, and close it. And now I have a straight jacket here. The mini size straight jacket is for the crazy people. And now the whole deck I put inside the straight jacket. And now I use a cable tie to tie the straight jacket and the whole deck like this. Very tight, very tight, you can see. Okay, and now I'll show you a very impossible escape with this straight jacket. And now see, 1, 2, 3, a card will escape from the straight jacket. Thank you.